Hey, if you're someone who's been avoiding regular expressions, thinking they are tough and meant only for the nerds, then you may find this video helpful. This is, of course, not a full tutorial on regular expressions, but instead I intend to walk you through a small set of examples to show you how easy it is for you to get started with regular expressions, and there's really no need to fear them. Let's start with a simple example. Say you have a sentence, a hello world program is a computer program that outputs or displays hello world to a user. It's shown on your screen. And I want to look for the word hello. So the regular expression for that is simply hello. And this is not very exciting, but at the same time you can see regex is so uh, nothing to be scared of, right? Let's move on to the next example. I have the same sentence, but this time I have modified it a little bit. You can see the first hello world has a space between hello and world, and the second one has a comma between hello and world. And say I want to look for the to the phrase look for the phrase hello world, and clearly I cannot just say hello space world because it would match only the first one, and if I say hello comma world, it would match the second one. It won't match both. So this brings me to the regular expression wildcard, which is the dot. So if I use dot in my regular expression hello dot world, it would match both hello space world and hello comma world. In fact, it would match anything where any character there, hello A world, hello B world, etc. On to the next example. In this example, I have changed the sentence again, but this time in the first hello world I have a comma space, and in the second hello world I have a comma and two spaces. So again, if I just use one space, it would match the first one, and if I use two spaces, it would match the second one. So I would like to come up with a regular expression which would match one or more spaces. So in which case I'll have to use this plus, which is a quantifier, which means one or more, and because it's right after the space in the regular expression, it means one or more spaces. So it matches both both the occurrences of hello world in the sentence. Let me just move on to the next one. Okay, so these are the quantifiers in regular expressions. Question mark means 0 or 1, plus, as we have seen, means 1 or more, and star means 0 or more. Quantifiers are greedy, by the way. I'll show you what that means. So let's go back to the previous example where I have hello comma space world and hello comma space space world. So based on our knowledge of quantifiers, I could actually say hello dot plus world to match hello and any character any number of times, one or more times, followed by world. But that doesn't quite do what we want, because this regular expression means hello followed by one or more of any character and then a world. So obviously, because plus is greedy, it tries to match the longest match, and as you can see, the highlighted piece of string is the longest match for that expression. But this is not what we wanted. What we wanted was all the occurrence of hello world and not anything else. So we would have to make this quantifier non-greedy, and the way we do that is using a question mark. So our quantifiers table looks like this now. So you have two extra quantifiers, plus question mark and star question mark, which are the non-greedy versions of plus and star. So now if I change my regular expressions to hello dot plus question mark world, and now see, it's easy for you to just see a regular expression like this and feel a little intimidated. But if you see how it has been constructed, if you know how it has been constructed, you know that it's really not that complicated. Not complicated at all, I would say. So now this regular expression matches hello world exactly the way we wanted. Let's take another example now. Say I have a sentence full of ABCs, but I want to match the ABC that's at the beginning of the line. Okay, so if I simply use ABC, then it matches the whole set of, or every occurrence of ABC throughout the sentence. But I want to anchor my pattern to the beginning. That's when I would use the caret symbol, which anchors the pattern to the beginning. So it only matches the pattern at the beginning of the line. So there is a similar anchor for the end of the line called dollar, which if I use, it matches the end of the line. So that's about it. This is all you have to know to get started and be significantly uh, to experience the significant improvement in your pattern matching capability as opposed to your regular vanilla find search tools in your editors and programming languages. All the best. If you have any questions or would like to know more about this, of course, there is the internet, but you can always email me at ckashyap@gmail.com. Thank you so much and all the best.